For decades, people feared machines would steal their jobs. First, it was factory machines, then computers. Now it's artificial intelligence. But this time, the change is bigger than anything before. It's not just one industry, it's the entire workforce. And most people have no idea what's coming. Picture this, it's 2030. You wake up ready for work, you log in and your job is gone. An AI now does your job, no salary, no mistakes. Sounds like sci-fi. It's already happening. Customer service, handled by chatbots. Design work, AI builds websites in minutes. Legal work, AI scans contracts in seconds, and it's accelerating fast. Journalism, accounting, education at risk. Millions of jobs could disappear. Most people still think their job is safe. My job is too creative, they say. Even teachers are being replaced. Why hire 30 teachers when AI can teach 3,000? Doctors, not safe either. AI reads X-rays better than humans. Drivers will disappear too, just like that. It's not if, it's when. AI creates jobs, yes, but far fewer than it destroys. Most people aren't ready to rescue. Think Detroit, but everywhere. What happens when millions are jobless? Will governments pay people just to survive? Or do billionaires get richer and everyone else falls? Walk into a bank, no humans, AI decides. Denied by an algorithm you can't argue with. The real threat, losing control of your future. But there's hope. Adapt and you survive. Creativity, empathy, critical thinking, these are AI's weak spots. The future belongs to those who work with AI. Will you be one of them? Subscribe to Opulent Future. Next, what cities will look like in 2050?